Over 4,000 years ago, the Nile awoke under golden skies, and on its banks a dream began. Pharaoh Khufu envisioned a monument that would outlast time itself. Priests turned to the heavens, aligning the dream with the stars, a bridge between earth and sky. Architects and scribes traced designs onto papyrus, daring to imagine the impossible. Upon the sands of Giza, Khufu raised his staff, and so began the vision of eternity. Across the Nile Valley, the call of Pharaoh echoed. Thousands answered. Not slaves, but farmers, craftsmen, and laborers who would trade their season of farming for a season of history. They came from every corner of Egypt, united by duty and sworn to build for their king and their gods. Teams trained in strength and discipline, learning to haul stone as one body, one will. Here, at the base of the desert plateau, rose a city of workers, a heartbeat that would drive the pyramids skyward. From the bedrock of Egypt, limestone was cut, the very bones of eternity. From Aswan, 900 kilometers away, granite heavier than 10 men was carved and set upon the Nile. On sledges, dragged across sand, the stones inched forward, guided by water and sweat. Before the pyramid rose, a mountain of stone was gathered, the raw heart of a wonder. One by one, the stones reached Giza, where thousands waited to lift them into destiny. To lift stone to the heavens, engineers devised a path of earth and sweat, ramps rising with the pyramid. Mud brick, rubble, and limestone formed colossal ramps stretching like veins across the desert. Teams of men strained as one, dragging blocks higher and higher with ropes and will. Some say the ramps circled the pyramid in spirals, a winding path to eternity. Step by step, stone by stone, the mountain of man began to rise toward the gods. Deep within the stone, narrow passages were carved, a hidden world inside a mountain of limestone. They built the Queen's Chamber, a quiet sanctuary, its purpose still shrouded in mystery. Above it rose the Grand Gallery, a towering corridor where each block fit with impossible precision. At the pyramid's heart, the King's Chamber, built of granite heavier than armies, a resting place for eternity. Mysterious shafts stretch into darkness as if reaching for the stars, their secrets still untold. By night, surveyors looked to the stars, aligning stone with the heavens themselves. The base was cut into a perfect square, its error less than the width of a hand. Each side faced true north, south, east, and west, aligned within fractions of a degree. Every block, every angle, a masterpiece of design. At last, the final casing stones were lifted, each polished until the pyramid gleamed like fire. Under the desert sun, the builders polished the surface, turning raw stone into a mirror of light. At the peak, a golden capstone, the pyramidion, was set, blazing like the sun itself. From miles away, travelers saw a mountain of light rising from the desert sands. The pyramid stood complete. In just 3 decades, the Great Pyramid rose, the tallest structure on Earth for nearly 4,000 years. Dynasties fell, sands shifted, yet the pyramid stood, watching over the Nile. It watched the rise of empires, the march of armies, the footsteps of pilgrims. Even now, travelers from every corner of the world come to stand in its shadow. Through time, through sand, through silence, the Great Pyramid endures, the eternal wonder of the ancient world.